Finding the first message in a long conversation on Instagram can be tedious, but there is a method to make it easier without endless scrolling. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once logged in, simply tap on the message icon available in the top right corner of your screen. Then select the conversation you want to see the first message of. Now, once you're inside the message, you can see or locate the scroll bar on the right side of your screen while inside the chat. Now, all you have to do is tap and drag the scroll bar up quickly instead of manually swiping through messages. This lets you jump further up the conversation much faster than normal scrolling. So that is it. Dragging the scroll bar works smoothly on iPhones due to optimized touch response. On Android users, ensure you don't accidentally swipe back. Practice gentle and controlled drags. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.